Hello, welcome to Java for Beginners. My name is Hazem. I'm a software developer with over than 10 years of software development experience using the Java programming language. If you have never programmed before, don't worry about it. This course is exactly built for you. Over the next videos, I'm going to be taking you on a journey from zero to hero and teach you all about the fundamentals of the Java programming language. To get started, we're going to need a text editor to write our code inside of it and execute it. A text editor you use for programming is typically called an IDE, which stands for an Integrated Development Environment, which means that it's got everything you need integrated within it to develop software. So for Java, one of the most popular ones is Intellij IDEA, which is the one I'm going to be using throughout this course. And I highly recommend that you use Intellij. So if you go to jetbrains.com/idea and you hit that download button, there are two versions of Intellij that you can get. There is the ultimate version and there is the community version. So the ultimate is paid, it's not free, but you get a 30-day free trial. And then there is the community version, which is for free. Now, depending on which operating system you are running on, you're going to select the Windows or Mac OS or Linux tab, and then pick the version that you want to go for, whether it's the ultimate or the community edition. They are available in all operating systems. And you hit that download button and then you install Intellij. So let's just do that now. And I'm going to demonstrate how you download and install Intellij on all operating systems. So you can skip the parts that are not relevant. So if you're on Windows, you can skip Mac and Linux. And I will be demonstrating how to install and run Intellij on each operating system. So starting with the Windows operating system. So right here, I can search for Intellij, just like we did earlier. I go to jetbrains.com/idea and I hit the download button. And we're on Windows, so we're going to keep the Windows tab selected. We're not going to select the ultimate for this course. We're going to select the community edition because it is for free. I will hit download and wait for that download to finish. Okay, so now that download is now done. I'll hit open file, which will automatically launch the installer. All right, so the setup has started. I'm going to hit next, next. I can choose to create an association to open all Java files and create a shortcut. And I'm going to hit next, install. And I just sit back and wait for the installation to finish. Now that it's done, I can check Run Intellij IDEA Community Edition and hit finish. And once you see this window, it means that Intellij was installed successfully. And now we're moving on to Intellij on Linux. I'm running Ubuntu 24.04 here. Just like we did in the Windows section, you'll just go to, I'll just accept and I'll hit the download button. And I'm going to scroll down to the community edition. I'm going to hit download. It's going to download a tar.gz file. Now, once that is downloaded, you're going to go into your downloads folder and I'm going to try to extract. So we should be able to extract the contents into a folder that we're going to later use the terminal to navigate to. So I'm going to navigate to downloads and navigate to the folder. I'm going to see what's inside. So basically we have this bin folder that we are interested in going inside. So within that bin folder, there is this idea.sh that we're interested in running. So this one. So what I will do is //idea.sh. And once you execute that, you're going to start Intellij. There you go. All right, so for the last operating system we're going to cover, we're going to go on Mac OS and navigate to Google, search for Intellij, and do the same steps we did. And you will see, of course, we're going to download the community edition, and you will see that you have two options. You have the Intel or the Apple Silicon. Now, the way you would find out which one is for you is by going to the corner, the upper left corner, and go about this Mac. And then you want to see what it says here. If it says anything M1, M2, M3, M4, then that means that you should select the Apple Silicon option. If it says Intel, then you should select the Intel option. So because mine says M1, I'm going to download the Apple Silicon one. So hit download and we wait for that to finish. Now you click on it and you simply just drag and drop your Intellij IDEA Community Edition into applications. You see that progress bar showing you the status of the copying. And then once that's done, all you got to do is run Intellij IDEA CE. It'll verify it and then it'll start the application. So it says you've downloaded the application from the internet. Do you want to open it? I'll select yes. And then Intellij starts. It's asking to give it permission to access a local network. I'll say yes. I'll skip the import. And there we have it. Congratulations on taking the first step towards becoming a Java developer. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to run your very first Java application. We'll see you then.